Bum, bum, bum. No, 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 no. Come on, wakey wakey. There we go. Well, anyways, it is what it is. And last thing, gosh, where am I gonna put this? I can put it there, I guess. Sorry guys, I know this is a bit different, and this is in the way. Here we go. Yeah, sorry, I know this is a little bit different. I've been having to film some videos, and I didn't want to mess with the setup, so sorry, we're gonna have some weirdness today. But anyways, I hope that everyone's doing amazing. Let's get this started. Let's do this. Let me just check here. Okay. At least we got the web sorted. I need to add my volume. That's what I need to do. Mark out me liquidity. Okay. Let's do this. It's a bit over here, a little bit over there. Ooh, nice. Here do be a juicy area. Crypto Roach, hey, how are you? Hale, hi. LP, YouTube, hi. RDR2 champs, what am I doing? I'm just marking out some points of interest. Sorry guys, so I literally had to try and do a complete new setup. Trader Rindler, what up? How are you doing? I apologize about this. I know normally the angle's up there. Yeah. Long story, but we're doing this today. Are you serious, Crypto Roach? That's amazing. That is so cool. Can I please tell you how to make the best cheeseburger? I definitely cannot. Oh, amazing, amazing. Oh, sorry. Is that what you were asking with regards to what am I doing? Sorry about that. Trader Renslow, good, awesome, awesome. You know, can't complain, can't complain. Ah, hello from Kansas. That's amazing. You sure? Save man, woman, peace. So fans, is she fake? You can ask them. I'm not here pretending I'm a great trader, if that's what you are asking. I'm definitely not a great trader. Doc FR, hi, how you doing? Yes, I am a beginner. I am a beginner. Magic Musiala, yeah? Musiala, I'm sorry, I butchered that. Yeah, so I am a beginner. Oh no, oh Trader Renza, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What happened? Mark 1? Hey, how are you? Zap, is this trading? Yes, how much did you make so far? Nothing yet. Like I said, guys, I'm very open and honest about the fact that, so I've only been trading since April. That's why it's called, please take note, it's called Teach Maya Trading, not Maya Teaching Trading, because I'm not qualified to be teaching anything. Okay, anyways. Hey, SM Technologies, how you doing? Jeff? How are you? Where you been? You're 14. Are you even allowed to be doing that at 14? Trader Ren's a huge dump in gold. Oh, okay. Aw, thanks, Em. I appreciate that. That's very sweet of you. Thank you. South, this is not your style. That's fine. Scalper, hi, how you doing? Ah, Jeff, that's awesome. How's it been going? Have you been going to more competitions? Is it called a competition? Is it tests? I'm not actually sure. Hi, life. How are you? How you been? How's it been going? Okay, so for you that weren't in the New York session, I did something. Oh, okay. That makes sense. RD2. Hi, life. Long story. I know it's weird. It's weird. I'm a little bit uncomfortable. I'm trying really hard to not look at myself. I'm not super happy with this, but it is what it is. Basically, I'm doing a video, and this is the angle that it has to be at. Yeah. So that's why. I guess I could make myself smaller, but then it messes with, you know. It's so annoying. I really want to. Wait, maybe I can. I wonder if it's gonna mess with things. Let me shrink myself. That's better. I look a little bit more like a human being there. Same. Oh gosh. Aha! Winning. Nope. Then that got in the way. It's fine. That's fine. It'll do. It'll do. South Life didn't give us lemons. That's valid. Yeah, 100% South, we did. I know, lemons are man-made, which I think is absolutely wild, but... Oh. Okay. There's a lot happening this week. I basically had to redo everything because I started a new account. Long story, I didn't blow... Well, anyways. Again. Long story. Okay, anyways. Well, I look like a normal person. Thank you, I appreciate that. I try to look like a normal person. SM Technologies, I'm from South Africa. High Life, is this better? Better. Okay, cool. I'm not like there. Solly, hi. Where you been? Or did you say hi and I didn't see? I'm sorry. No, I'm not trading stocks. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Cool. Worse 161, hey, all the way from Kenya. Hi, how are you? Well, I'm going to have a look. Let's see. I'm gonna have a look. Scalp it. Yeah. It is. I'm gonna have a look. Let's see. What do we think's gonna happen today? I see it hasn't touched the NWOG yet. Do we think it's slowly climbing down towards NWOG? Boom, banana. Long story. It's a long story. Blue Knights. Hi. I'm sorry. Was I like invading your personal space there? I apologize. Buzzer beater bits, everything's gonna tank. Why do you say that? Rizwan, why do I gold today? I haven't even looked at gold. I've heard gold's been doing really well though. Am I wrong? Am I right? How's gold been looking? Okay, key areas. Let's maybe zoom out a little bit. At least I got ES set up, you know, one thing at a time, people. One thing at a flipping time. Yep. Yes, it is that. Awesome. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Causing more mayhem. Absolute mayhem. Ooh, and I pressed the wrong thing. What did I just say about mayhem? Mike, you say gold is correcting. Awesome. John, what? I'm definitely gonna change how this freaking looks, but it's fine. No. Okay. Oh, it kind of does look like it's headed down towards this. Thank you, border. Let's do that. Hell yeah. Okay. That's better. That looks better. I'm happy with that. Okay, now that I'm done fiddling, I'm done messing around. What up? How you doing? Am I winning, son? I haven't placed any trades yet, so... Reason for this melancholy? What do you mean? Am I too chill today? Oh, hi! No! I'm on it. Trader Rensley, you think this might be... You see, I'm so used to my camera being there. Yeah, I don't like this angle, but it's fine. It should hopefully be good tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, straight to jail. My can't go up forever, needs a pullback to climb. Yeah. I'm looking a little bit sad. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm just... I feel uncomfortable. I know that sounds so weird. I'm not a big fan of this angle, but it's fine. It's fine. Hell yeah. Of course High Life does. Solly? Solly, are you in the Discord? I didn't see you there. No. Okay, maybe we should stop focusing. Focus. And you think it's the music? Does the music make me seem sad? I'm sorry. It could just be that I'm tired. It's been... Oh my gosh, I was about to say it's been a long week, but it's only Tuesday. It's been a long day and a half here. Yep, I can't wait to put my setup back to normal. It's fine. Jordy, how are you doing? Oh, damn, Sam. Damn, Sam. Damn, Sam. Anyways, moving on. So, what? That's a lie. My candle looks like it's at resistance. This one right here. Well, yep, it's about to. Here's a resistance level. Also has a fair value gap. Yeah, but is it gonna keep popping up? It's respecting this really well. I need to have a look-see. Rage? Give me a second. Give me a second. Oh, okay, High Life, so it did not work. Sam, for you, swing trades is the only way to be profitable for a fair amount of time. Why do you say that? Imran, hi. Hi, there you are. How are you? Patrick, hi, how's it going? How's it going? Thank you. Oh, Rage, you're very funny. Thank you. Thank you. So, Mike, you think it's going to retest at 749 level? Let's see. Lily, hey, how are you? Okay, so, Mike, you think it's going to pop up, maybe take this bit of liquidity over here, and then continue where? Up or down? Can I bring the line down? What do you mean? Patrick, what do I think's gonna happen today? I honestly have no idea. Keep looking up there. I honestly have no idea. I'm just waiting for my brain cells to click into place. What do you guys think's gonna happen today? Are we thinking bullish, bearish? Let's check out the 15-minute. I still think it slowly wants to start heading for NWOG, the new weekly opening gap, but I mean, I could be very wrong. I could be very wrong. Ooh, okay, Mr. Opinion. Baka? Am I rich? No. Payute 1. I'm 60, I just bought a valuation account. I'm confused how to start. I got all the courses you can think of. Okay, what are you confused about? What are you... How do I put this? What are you struggling with to start with? Baka, then I'm poor. Yeah. What? High life? That's weird. Sorry. Yeah, 100% Patrick. That's what I'm thinking, but let's see. So anyways, that's a 15 minute, 16 minutes. Oh, Mike, sorry, that's not for Buck, that's for Coyote 1. Yeah. So Coyote 1, Mike said, pick a chart, study its movement, and then start with micros. Which is what I do. I use the micros because it just helps keep your... Oh, damn. Oh, okay. Okay. Down we go for now, but I mean, it looks like it's about to hit into this inverse fair value gap on the 60 minute. 60, yes, 60 minute. I was like, that yet? What? That's correct. That's English. Okay, I need to wait for it to pick a direction. Mr. Opinion, on the 1 minute, it looks... You're talking about on the 1 minute or the 1 hour? There you are. Dab, Mike. Dab, that was amazing. Good enough English for government. Yeah, you know what? When you write, you're right. That's all. Yeah, when you write, you're right. Edit farms. I mean, that's not advised. I don't think she'll be super happy with you if you did that. Yan? Hi, how are you? How's it going? I don't think she'll be super chuffed. Just saying. Okay, let's see. So, I mean... With this setup... Sorry, I changed everything around yesterday, as you can see. So everything feels chaotic right now. It'll probably take me 2 or 3 sessions to get back to normal. Oh, this is quite large. There we go. That makes it look a little bit better. It's indeed a little bit large. And this would have screwed me. Wow. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Let's see. Rage, you're active on a long ride now. Oh, nice. Where's your TP at? Patrick, that's true. Isn't there news or something happening today as well? Isn't there something that's happening? Plague Ink player. Hi. You know what? I can't complain. It's going. That's all I will say. It's going. Can I use paid strategies that I tested and were useless, just turning everything red? Why would you want to use that though, out of curiosity? Just opinion, that's a support level. Derek? Does auto... What do you mean? What? Ah, Patrick, thank you. That's what I thought it was happening today. It's a bit of a boomer. Didn't go far enough down for the big range, and the smaller range would have tagged me out. Oh well. Derek. No, I'm not from Germany. I am from South Africa. Rage, you'd want it to get to 740. Okay, well, I mean, it looks like it might start popping up now. Gamer, what up? Yeah, cool. Canvia, yeah, I'm from South Africa. I'm currently in South Africa. South African through and through. That's okay, Derek. I'm assuming... Sorry, I'm saying Derek. Is it Derek? Sorry. What I was saying was, I'm assuming you're from Germany? Yes? Coyote, if you pop up in the chat, you'll see there's a Discord link, a free Discord link. I can help you there. Yeah, I'll be able to help you there. Lubab, I did. This is not permanent. This is not permanent. I'm putting that out there. I'm not the biggest fan of this angle. So this is not permanent, but it's for now. Instead of, yes, just reduces the stress a bit. I mean, Plague Ink Player, why not, right? Why not? If it's gonna reduce the stress a little bit, make you feel a little bit more at ease, go for it. I mean, it's why I do the MNQ. I know sometimes I put like high contracts and people say, oh, why didn't you then just do the normal NQ? And I'm like, I don't know, it's like a mental thing. I don't know if that makes sense or if it's just me being weird, but mentally, I just kind of go, oh, it's better. Mike, the 685. $685. Is that the right area? Oh, I'm going 7, like an absolute flipping chop. Oh my gosh, can you tell I haven't had coffee yet today? Anyway, sorry Mike, that was me being just pure blonde. I'm not even blonde, but that was just blonde. 685, yes, it does. Sorry, my bad. Labab, like I said, this is not, yeah, this is not a thing. Don't worry, it's gonna go back to normal hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. The only problem, like it's actually in front of my screen. You'll see I start doing this now and then. So yeah, that's why I don't like it. So I have to do like this to see some things. It's just not ideal. Scalper, you don't have to twist. Yeah, I figured it out. Can you see I keep looking up there and I'm like, nope, you guys are here. That's wrong. Oh, Plague Ink Player, that's not right. Just so used to big profits from yes, just sometimes get a bit nervous. Yeah. SWY, yeah, I do. Yeah, Mike. Yeah, I think Rage, you might have a point. Maybe I just need a copy. You know, find my brain cells again. That would be great. Is this actually just going to be ranging a little bit today? What time is Mr. having a talk? Ah, you see. Just before New York Open. Ooh, which means New York's gonna be entertaining. Mr. Opinion, yes. High Life. It shorted in Q, but it seems it wants to go up. Got out thinking long. This sounds bad. It's fine. This sounds bad. I have no idea. I have no idea what direction this is gonna go. There's a lot of support, but a lot of resistance as well. It's just, I guess, whoever wins now. Are the buyers or the sellers gonna win? I'm thinking it's gonna go short. I could be very wrong though, but I'm thinking it's gonna go short. The 100% Plague Inc. players, yeah. Diamante, hi, how are you? How's it going? How are you doing? Tian, what strategy did I use or do I use? So I'm... High Life, pal. So I have my own little strategy, but it uses some ICT and SMC concepts. Yeah, so it uses some of the concepts. It's not strictly SMC or strictly ICT. It's a mix of both. Rage, you think long? Oh, right. Long for Rage. Let's go long for Rage. High Life, Mr. P. Oh, yeah. Do you want to? That's what I thought. Is it SWY or dollar Y? I haven't actually looked at the Euro USD, so I can't give an opinion on that. Sorry, but chat, anyone? What do you guys see for the Euro USD? Diamante, you think continue down? Mr. Opinion just followed me. High Life. Really? Do you think he is? Oh, D? Hi! So that day that you left, you were absolutely spot on. I've been waiting for you so that I can come and be like, you need an absolute shout out. It was amazing. So, hi! How are you doing? How's it been going? You know, I can't complain about my day. Tian, thank you. Do you want me to explain the strategy to you? I can show you the strat, if you want. Don't know if you want to see it. I need to slowly, I think slowly being the key word here. It'll come once I have the confidence, right? But I need to slowly start refining it, potentially a little bit more. Ugh, I think a lot of the times it's just to do with confidence, though. Mike, okay, damn. Hey, freedom fighters, what up? How you doing? Thank you. I'm glad. Well, I hope it's helpful. That's the point, right? I want to try and be helpful, especially to newbies or noobs, you know, depending on your slang. Maverick, it had a proper dump. It had a proper dump. Flip, which day was it, guys? Was it Friday? Let's go back to Friday. Was this it? This was it, wasn't it? Yep. It did this. How big was this move again? Yep. 685 point drop. Yeah. After what he said. But apparently yesterday he tweeted something that them in China are good. I don't know. Diamante. Okay, I will. Cool, I'm glad. One no, honest yeah, no, it was absolute insanity. Oh gosh. So Rage, you think bear flag into a long is what sounds great. I mean, it could be. It could be. More vids? No, I appreciate that, but no. One thing at a time, right? One thing at a time. Thanks for the new subs, guys. You are amazing. Thank you. Maverick. So I faced... On that day, no, I wasn't in a trade. But if you're asking about in general, I faced plenty of loss. Plenty of loss. Yeah. Mark, no, I mean... Oh my gosh, what just happened? Damn. Diamante, holy cow. I mean, now, yes, it's downtrend now. Holy cow. Craigie, zero makeup skills. Yeah, because I don't wear makeup. Anyways. Yeah, no, that was insane. Solly, don't say that, but yes. 6K just got Thanos. I love that. Oh my gosh. That was amazing. That was awesome. Okay. Mark, that was well done. Hey Val, how's it going? All with regards to what? What are you talking about? There we go. Raw Trader, hi, how are you doing? How's it going? 98. Jeez. Motivate, no. Like I said, guys, I'm not here trying to pretend that I'm profitable and making millions and that you guys should, I don't know, follow me to learn these crazy tricks to get rich fast. No, I don't even think that's a real thing, but it's fine. Thread Trade, hi, how's it going? Tan, hi. That looked like a bargain dip. Is that a thing? Sorry, I haven't heard anyone mention bargain dip. What is a bargain dip, Mike? Mark, oh, is that all? Is that all? Oh dear, what a problem. Okay. What's my purpose in trading? Freedom. Yeah, sweet and simply. Is that what you meant? Like, why did I start trading? Sweet and simply, it's freedom. Yeah. Freedom from having to work for people, you know, financial freedom. I'm not saying I'm out here wanting to be a zillionaire or trillionaire like Mark and Owens, you know, maybe one day when I'm big. But just... This sounds bad, but to get away from those extra stresses in life would be ideal. Okay, is it gonna keep popping down now, or is that a very intentional grab to get people to start selling? The hell is wrong with you? Anyways. Done. After what our president said, you would or wouldn't buy long term yet, Diamante? Val, you think it's going down? Raw trader, my bias, to be fair, my bias when I started was shorts. Then I kind of did this and I was like, oh, maybe I'm wrong. And now it looks like it's holding at this little FU candle right there. Rantha, how are you allowed to still comment? No. Val, this is a good place to sell. You really think so? Do you guys really think this is going to keep going down? Is it just doing this consolidation, big move, consolidation, big move, consolidation, big... Kind of looks like it is what it's doing. But then it looks like it's consolidating and moving big in the opposite direction. Rage. I went back up a little bit. It went back up. I'm assuming you didn't have a stop loss, Rage? Damn. Dr. Trade, good morning from South Africa. How's the UK looking today? Hey, Shedrack. How's it going? Motivates, yeah, but that's 100% it, right? Is this a good idea? Is this a bad idea? Is this a good idea? Let's see. When in doubt, zoom out, right? Oh, it's starting to fill this gap. Okay. Do the world's teeny... Ooh, no, that was wrong. As I was saying, I could do the world's teeny tiniest little trade here. But also expand the range slightly. Nope. Damn, these moves are actually hectic today. I keep thinking these candles are small. These, like, how big was this FU candle right here? 92 points. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Flynnfly Taggart. I haven't placed a trade yet today, so nothing. Boom, what's up? Diamante, I like 2450 because of the big round number. I mean, that's one way of looking at it, but then do you also like 247? Diamante? Mike, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it might do, or what's it called, like seek and destroy, where it's these big moves taking out liquidity and then big moves back up taking out liquidity. Those do not work with my strategy, so I'm being cautious, especially because of the speech happening later. Sorry, I know that's a little bit boring to watch, but I am being cautious, right? Risk management is a thing. Gotta be smart with your money. Diamante, don't try to catch it. Work with nature? What? What is that? Upcar, I need you to explain that one. Anyways. All savings and life earnings dumped in a single day because of me. Don't know what I did, but okay. Oh yeah, Markino, clearly. Yeah, just all in, let's go for it. Keep my nerve long. Jinx is still the short. No, guys, this is, I'm thinking upwards, right? Like you said, if you wiggle your fingers at the monitor, it'll start going up. Everyone wiggle your fingers so that rage gets back into the green. Thanks, Mike. Patrick, I'm sure we can. Yeah, we can. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, can I? Oh, I can. Done. He's in timeout. Signs of end times. How's it going? Another day with Maya. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This should be back to normal tomorrow, hopefully. Signs of end times, a little bit. I'm not gonna. I did say I think it's gonna go short, and then it went short, hectically, more than I thought it would. But it's fine. It's fine. Signs of end times. No, I'm 99% sure that was just a scam. Oh, only true trader. That is amazing. What car are you gonna get her? Oh, that is such a cool story. I'm so proud of you. That's amazing. Well done. Wait, what? Don't worry, guys. He's gone. He's gone. Markino, stop. Oh, thanks, Robotic. Thanks, yeah. Oh, damn. Was this actually potentially a win? Damn it. Ooh, okay. Okay, Zar. Well done. Well done. What do you think's gonna happen now, Zar? BD, you think it's just short today. Val, you think sells also. And Marzia, you think today seems like a short. Do we think it's headed down for NWOG? I just like saying NWOG, it's quite fun to say. SB hit the gap, but NQ didn't, so you're short. Hell yeah, only true trader, it's amazing. For the Sunday gap, up in the oncoming days, okay. I'll smoke on you, I hope it gets a deep pullback. Yeah, this is not great to be a part of right now. Rage. I'm sorry, guys, we have to think there's going to be a pullback first to help Rage get at least maybe break even, and then it might go short. Only true trader, it's Alexis. Ooh. Oh, you're gonna make me like cry. That's so cute. That is awesome. Also, Alexis is good. Nice. Wins everywhere. Signs of end times. What's my favorite time frame? I actually have been, I know you wouldn't guess it now. I have been enjoying London recently. Yesterday was quite a fun day to trade London. And New York was not great yesterday, was it? I just didn't place a trade because it was absolute chaos yesterday. Yesterday was absolute just chaos. Picture like burning buildings and people screaming. That's what yesterday felt like, but it's fine. We're back, we're good. Diamante, yeah. Come on. Alec, you took a short on ES at the 17. Ooh, okay, okay. Nice, nice. Oh, damn. That's really good. I need to be at gym, but I'm feeling meh. Jordy, that's me every day. D, hell yeah. My typical, so I stick with the 1 to 2 hour. Aw, thanks, Marzia. I don't know. I'm not placing anything yet because I'm not sure what's going to happen. Like I said, this could be a seek and destroy day, and those days just don't work with my strategy. So, yeah. Or maybe if this would have been a perfect trade. Oh, the hiccups for days, always hiccups. Tabang, take note of that inversion fair value gap. Okay. Mike, believe it or not, I did actually know that. I did know that. I don't know how I knew that, but I have been told that. Oh, okay, Rage. Okay, okay. Then it's fine. Then it's fine. Are you still in this? Did you stop? Oh, Marzia, that's okay. Oh, I didn't see you yesterday. Yeah, that's fine. Well, there it goes down for on NQ. Ooh, signs of end times. That's a good idea. Breakfast? It's like nearly lunchtime, isn't it? Kind of. Not really. What time is it? Tis, I guess, like 10. For me, that feels like lunchtime. I wake up way too early. Shash, please speak English. Am I not? What am I? Oh my gosh, am I speaking gibberish again? Damn it. I do that all the time. Without even meaning to. I've come to realize it's just like a party trick. Just start talking gibberish. Okay, like I said, let's see if this would have been a win. It kind of looks like it's slowly starting to push down for this. Is it just gonna consolidate today? Is that just what it's gonna be today? Yeah, I'm live every day. You seem so surprised. I'm here all the time. All day, every... No, I'm joking, not all day, but every day. London and New York. So it kind of feels like all day. BD, NWAG won't be easy. Market will chop for a while. I know, but it's so... Well, is it close? Not really. Feels like it's so close. Maybe New York comes to tap into NWAG. Fill that gap. Nexie, heyo, what's up? How's it going? Robotic, you were thinking long stay personally simply because A share the session was high until the last hour when it swept. That might be wrong. Robotic, I've come to realize that I can't even begin to guess which direction it's gonna go. Oh, Rage, yeah. I heard yesterday that that happened. So, is that why you're going long? You think maybe that's the push up? Abhishek, you don't understand. What am I doing? What do you mean? What do you not understand? Ah. Vaza! What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? How are we today, Vaza? Rage, you know, being stubborn is not a bad thing. How did I learn ICT concepts? Just online. How much time does it take? So I mean, I use only some of the ICT concepts, not all of them, because they can be quite overwhelming. So you take what you understand and you work with that. Like I said, this is why I have my own little strategy. Damn English. There we go. There's the gibberish coming through. My own little strategy, and basically, yeah, I use ICT and SMC concepts kind of popped together to make this strategy work. Like I said, this wasn't the... Where is VWAP? Oh, it's up there. Oh, damn. Alex, the market's closed today, is it? Abhishek, why? What's going over your head? That's only good. Come on, guys. It's Tuesday. We're nearly halfway through the week. Sorry, I'm trying to be optimistic. We got this. Aw, okay, cheers, Vaza. Enjoy. Hey, mine's gold. I can't complain. How are you doing? How's it all going? Yeah, it's nearly Wednesday. We got this. One step at a time. Okay, do we think anything's gonna happen? Val, I know you think it's gonna just drop on down. Mine's got right. But that's the problem. It's consolidating, then these big moves, and then, okay, well, not this one. This was big. But then it consolidates, and then this massive freaking movement there. Like I said, though, this kind of feels a little bit seek and destroy. I could be wrong. I don't like it when it does that. Oh, must I live stream games with badass background music? I mean, that could be quite fun. But I don't think, like, I'm so bad at games. You guys will just get frustrated watching me play. You literally will get angry. Microwave M, not profitable yet, just putting that out there. How long per day do I spend looking at the charts waiting for an opportunity? So it depends on the day. I think that's the only good answer. It depends on the day and the charts, and if your setup shows up. I mean, some days it just doesn't, and you then don't trade that day, right? It's day trader, not everyday trader. You go based off of what the market offers. And right now, it's not offering much, so I'm waiting. BD, you think high resistance, it's gonna run lower? Let's see. But that's essentially just it, right? I'm just here waiting for an A+ setup. That's the key. I feel that's the key. You have to have this A+ setup, or else you are not being very good risk management wise. And nothing here right now is A+. This is just choppy, and I do not trade in the chop. I'm genuinely just leaving this open because I'm curious to see if this would have been a TP, but I'm glad I'm not in this. Oh, nice. Nice, Feather. Yeah, there we go. It's basically Wednesday then. Robotic. Interesting. Really? Okay. Oh, sorry, mine's gold. Sorry. This is the thing with the market, you can't say short for too long. Zane, I've come to realize that you can have a bearish bias for the day, and it could change within an hour or so. Again, depending on the day. Mine's called... Ah, there we go. Download hacked version of Kip. No! Terrible. Mine gold or 3. Incognito. Ooh, I don't know about the lows from Friday, but I think it's wanting to at least come and fill the NWOG. New weekly opening gap, if anyone didn't know. I've marked it out here. This is what this massive freaking block is there. The NWOG was insanity. Tabs, hey, how's it going? Might be low resistance. We keep respecting 1 minute swing points. We just need a quick run lower. Oh, thanks, Tabs. I appreciate that. You see broke session high. That's what I'm saying. Noise robotic. So, hey, okay, cool. So I predicted that potentially right. Thanks, D. Thank you. Dr. Trade, this is Project X with top 1 futures. B, you say get ready. Oh, okay, so this would have been a win. But again, I'm not upset about it because this was not a A+ setup by any stretch of the flipping imagination. So that would have been risky. Get ready for flush. Oh no, Rage. Oh no, Rage. Rage, are you still in this? Wow, look at all that money. Right, Mike, that's the thing. That literally, how long would it have taken, actually? Would have gone... Still hasn't hit TP, by the way. So, still would have been sitting in it, and it's been 30 minutes. Ironically, this one's not terrible, but I think I'm too late. Maybe not too late, I just don't know if it's going to go up that high. Oh, I don't think it's going to go up that high. Hey, hello. Welcome back. Robotic, so I've come to realize, not always, I've been told it's not always, but sometimes, so this is the NASDAQ futures, the micros to be more specific. But I have found that it seems to be when gold is going up, the NASDAQ, call it the what we all call it the diva, proper diva, tends to go down. Again, not always, but it appears to be that way. When gold goes up, Nasdaq tends to go down. When gold goes down, Nasdaq tends to go up. Again, not always, just stream outside and show us a good view of your area. Ah, okay, yeah, there it would have hit TP. This wouldn't have tagged me in for this one. Oh well, it is what it is. Do you see, that would have been a much better setup if it had gone up that far. That one would have been a decent trade. Hopefully we don't inverse the minute fair value gap. We can push lower and fast. BD, let's see. The circus lover, hey, how's it going? Mike, you think this is a hedge play? Really? Why? Val, how big do you think the retracement's gonna be? Like a proper one? My Santa Cloud, hi. Robotic, how long have you been trading for? Ollie? Oh my gosh, become a travel vlogger. I would, but I can't leave my animals behind. Rage prop. Oh, Mike. Oh, thank you for the clarification. Really? Is that why? I didn't know that. MG. I'm not German. I am South African. But I do know what time it is. Always check the time. And I use concepts. High Life, what happened? What happened, High Life? Recruitment going back to the previous low. Do something good, NQ. Oh, damn, Robotic. You've been trading for 4 months. And how's it going? So this is what this setup would have looked like. Shoot, this isn't bad. Yeah, exactly. And I said I use concepts of them. I don't follow it strictly. Shoot. I should have tried to get in on this one. Well, it just took out that liquidity. I say that to go this full range probably would have been better, so it would have just tagged me in. High Life didn't do anything, waiting for good movement. I've done enough reckless stuff last 2 months. High Life, I hear you. What I'm also waiting for something deep. I mean, like I said, this looks like it maybe would have actually been decent. Maybe it was a mistake to not take this. Okay, bye my Santa Cloud, enjoy. And Val, you think get ready to sell again. Why? What are you seeing? Oh, interesting. Okay, Robotic, nice. What? Daily bottom is in. I called that price point yesterday. If we go lower, I'm a noob and can all laugh. No, MG, we definitely won't laugh at you. I like to think this is a very supportive community. Val thinks it's gonna keep going down. Robot ZKI, thank you. MG, let's see. And Val, let's see. This one would have just been a win. Oh, can you imagine if this missed by a flipping tick? That would have sucked. Again, like I said, I'm glad I didn't take it though. Jose, we're going down, multiple weekly opening gap. That's what I also thought, right? Like I said, I literally have it marked out. Maybe that was just a retest level? Abby, hi. MG, what, where are you from? Oh, robotic, yeah. 100%. Stonks? What? Thanks, Solly. Thank you. Just make sure you get the right one. There's two. Oh, you from Germany. That's so cool. Oh, cool. Amazing. Let's go visit Germany. I don't know. Is Germany nice? I've never really been. Obviously. Not really like I've been to a lot of places. Sorry, guys. I keep messing around with things. But on a side note, how cute is this? Wait. Ah! It's adorable. Gold futures usually move opposite to stock market index. Investors feel confident when the stock market is going up. Gold often goes down because people are putting money into higher return. Oh, Mike, that makes sense. Assets into safe. Money into gold, but pushes price higher while using NQ fail. I never, thanks Mike, I never knew that, but it does make lots of sense. I mean, I get it. Future trading. Is that Drew 40? Let's see. No. Sorry. Okay, Rage. Okay, well, it looks like it's going up now. Just saying. Everyone thought positive thoughts. Moving on. Future trading, I hope that helped. Try Germany 40? Do you think that'll be only buy gold? Rest is that thrash, or are you trying to say trash? I'll try Germany 40. I don't think it'll work. Nope, that's not right. No. Nah. Sorry. Apparently not. That's why old people wanted gold and silver coins. Huh. Damn robotic 24, okay. When it gets down to that middle line, looking for set. Val, are you sure? Oliver J. Smith, I haven't actually looked at platinum, sorry. I haven't looked. LP could be a good sell. I mean, I can always make it a stop sell. Let's make it 3 contracts. I haven't even checked how big this is. Oh, yeah, we can make it 3. 3's. You expect for push to VWAP. Oh, you expected a push to VWAP by now. Volume is low though. I still think it wants to go down to the NWOG. What should actually now be a buy? Rage? It might just be a buy. Oof. Oliver J. Smith. Yeah. I know you were asking for my opinion. I unfortunately don't have one because I've never looked. But you can always ask the chat, guys. What do we think of platinum? Has anyone checked out platinum? Is it looking promising? Mara, hi. How's it going? MG. So MG, you think it's gonna go long? Just full on long? You might be right. Kenneth Dimson. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still new. I wasn't looking for Viva, but I was looking for at least 24749 area retest. Damn, that high up, really? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oliver, there's that answer for you. We're just back in the range, actually, and that wouldn't have even popped in. Cool. Oh, that's awesome, Kenneth. And how's it going? Good, bad, maybe? Am I still a baby? High life? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So you missed some very entertaining stuff yesterday. Like I said, New York session yesterday was just absolute chaos. I don't think I've been that stressed out in my life. It was just insanity. But I basically just... I don't want to say this, people are going to judge me. Purposely blew my Tradeify account because I wanted to start a top 1 futures account. So this is a brand new account. Let's see how it goes. Oh, Mara, I've heard gold's looking pretty good. I've heard gold is looking pretty good. US recently, I shouldn't arrange a follow metal pipelines. PM should be crazy. Ooh, interesting, Mike. Thanks. Been watching the Perth Mint Daily and gold, silver, and doing their usual thing, but platinum is starting to sparkle. Interesting, Oliver. Okay, very interesting. I've never even actually looked at platinum. I've had a look at gold, but I haven't had a look at platinum before. Ooh, nice, Kenneth. Amazing. What strategy do you use? Really? Really, Diamante? Who did you hear that from? So I made sure to do quite a bit of research and they said they were good. Feeling good trades only today. Oh, thanks, Shaka. Well, apparently just not good markets today. Literally nothing has happened. I mean, apart from that, don't even know if you can call that. It's just It's not moving. Rage. That is hilarious. That's brilliant. Diamante, you approve funding ticks. Awesome. Diamante, you use funding ticks, right? Do you? Is that your go-to? Platinum is less than half the price of gold, but global demand is on the rise. Use. Oliver, that makes sense. That makes sense. Ah, so Diamante, have you been using my code? No, I'm joking. That's obviously completely up to you if you want to use my code or not. I'm not here to force people to do anything. Mr. Opinion, that's not good when metal goes up from historical market data. Really? Why, Mr. Opinion? What happens? You're banned from the others. Diamante, that doesn't sound great. Why are you banned from the others? Val, that's amazing, by the way. Whoop whoop. Well done. Ooh, nice. Have you had any trades today, by the way? Anything good? Rage, are you still here? Rage, are you still in the trade? Because this does look like it's gonna go up. You want to see 24676. Okay. It's getting there. Let me make a little doodad here. Okay. Then take, and then go up only. You've been selling, damn. Are you still in it though? How long? Okay, so Diamante, you think this is just going to keep going down? You start trade 921 emails and the VWAP strategy. It's to aim for. Ooh, interesting, Kenneth. Okay. Rage, you don't do props, you trade your money and make your own rules. Ah, that's valid, Rage. That's valid. But again, are you still in this? And Shocker, you think longs. Oh my gosh, wow. Everyone sees things so differently. I have some people saying, do not even think about going long, and some people saying, longs are the way, let's do this. I think now we just wait and see what happens. Contracts go stupid issue with the China US rare metals. Well, that's not great, is it, Mike? Oh, future trading. Yeah, at this point I am. It's given me nothing. So, unfortunately, yeah. I'm gonna stay on until 11, because I always do. I'll stay on until 11. Let's see if it maybe presents a chance after 10:30. Sometimes we get some decent movements after 10:30. But yeah, I can't do anything when it does this. This doesn't work for my strategy. It just doesn't work for my type of trade. I think some people love this. I'm not one of them. So out of curiosity, see if I use this range. Didn't even come get me. If I'd used this one, I mean, that would have been Not bad. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Oh. Diamante, no, you hit your daily profit. Oh, damn. Okay, so you're done. Oh my goodness, they look like they want to reverse. Give me a second, I'm getting greedy. Oh, robotic, don't get greedy. No problem. Yeah, no. MG. The indicators tend to... I don't want to say they overwhelm me, but it becomes too chaotic. Like, way too chaotic. MG, you're talking about this little fair value gap here, right? What's remaining of it, but yeah. Or you're talking about this higher up one because... Yeah. Which one are you chatting about? MG? Rage? Okay. Okay. So it's getting there. It's getting there. Mike, Ninja Trader. I've heard mixed reviews about that. I've heard mixed reviews. Oh, nice. Oh, thanks, Diamante. You're amazing. Thank you. Val looks like a reverse. Let's see. What sessions do I trade? Kenneth. So I trade both London and New York sessions. Every day. Rage. Yeah, no, this is like watching paint dry. This is excruciating. This is just excruciating. And now here comes the yawn. I didn't have coffee. And this is probably... no. I was gonna say this is probably one of the most boring days we've had. What? That's a lie. We've had worse. Ooh. Pranav, what is my prediction for today's news? No idea. Gold's hit new high. Damn, robotic. My prediction for today's news. I don't know why. I want to say it's going to drop down, but I mean, I have absolutely no idea. What do you guys think? What do you guys think is going to happen? I don't like making predictions because I don't know. Thanks, Mike. It's taken a lot of lessons. Dag, nab, it. I missed it. I missed this one. Shoot. Yeah, no, okay, it is still in range, so I can't say I missed it. Still not ideal to trade when it's like this. But this looks like it could have been an okay trade to take. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Wrong. Always agreed with good taste, of course. Oh, robotic. Yeah. Damn it! I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. I saw this too late. That's fine. It is what it is. Diamante, the Ninja Trader mentioned. Mike just did Ninja Trader with a little like money face. that was it, Diamante. Oh, nice. Okay. MG, you're long. Let's see. Yeah, this looks good. Yep. Oh, it hit that point. Nice, MG. Very, very good. Well done. Patrick, you done. Cool. Wow. Nicely called. Nicely called. That was on point. BD, you added to your shorts. You think it's gonna go down now that it tapped into that fair value gap? Hey! Ellie, what's up? How you doing? Eli, Ellie, sorry. Mr. Opinion, wait for break, yep. What time is it? Ooh, I did say 10:30. 10:30 tends to be the time. Of us? BTC trade, yeah. Yeah, it's why I haven't gotten into a trade, because I don't like this chop at all. I did miss this one, which is a bummer, but it's fine. I'm gonna set this up. Well, I say set it up. I'm gonna just draw it out, but I don't think I'm gonna take it yet. Bob, hi, bye, enjoy. You added size, right? Okay. Ipo, the destroyer, should be in gold. I've heard gold is pretty good. You think this is fake crypto? Why? Shocker, you think let it chop 5 more minutes? That was English. Found it. You think it's going to trace and go back up? Mike, would you like putting the countdown for the candle on? Hi. Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. Normally I have it. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I had to quickly redo everything yesterday. So that was frustrating. So I'll add my countdown again. I'll add it a little bit later. Sorry. MDM trader, do I think it'll go into the NWOG? I thought it was going to go into the NWOG. Like I said, I even drawn it out. Here's the NWOG. I really thought it was going to. Apparently it just wants to chop around. So that's fun. Oof, this wouldn't have even tagged me. Let's see. Alex, what up? How's it going? Yeah, MG, this is a little bit excruciating to witness right now. Well done to you, by the way. Whoop whoop, that was an amazing freaking call. I hope you are super chuffed with yourself. Oh, this wouldn't have tagged me in, but it would. Well, it looks like it's headed for a win. That is amazing. Anyways, that's hilarious. You guys know what I'm reading. You guys know what's hilarious. Watch the miner SSR at 662. It will come back there. Okay. And then you think it's gonna keep going back up. Respected there, respected there. Watch out for bearish liquidity sweeps. Yes. Markino, push. Peeves, honestly. It's dancing. Yes, it is. It definitely is, BD. Rage, you believe you can fly? Yeah. Oh, hey, yeah, we don't discuss that here. Structure looks really rough, but honestly, you don't care. Yeah. Skeletor? That's brilliant. I don't know that song, which kind of makes me upset because I really like Nirvana. But it's pretty accurate for what's happening today. Fine. Hey Mark Bruce, how's it going? What's my profit been like? Not ideal. Not ideal yet. How new are you? And I trade the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be more specific. The micros just because obviously helps you in the long run with regards to protecting your capital. Damn, Oliver, well done. What? Hawk? Hi, how's it going? Oh, was it? It was not. You've probably heard of the Hokey Pokey before, yes. Skeletor, that was terrible. Oh, shocker! Nice! Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Micro about to go vertical, people. Hell yeah. Shocker vertical, which way? It looks like up. Here we go. Finally some movement. Damn, Mark. Okay, very new. Very new in what way? Like a few months? Few days? What's your thing? Is target for London lunch and New York 2815 is target for London lunch. Really? You think so? Storm, do I have a daily profit target where you stop trading for the day? Storm, yeah, if I'm like 4 hour up for the day, I kind of then call it and I'm like, nah, that's decent. I'm happy with 4 hour up. I know it's not a lot for some people, but in general, I'm just happy if I end in the green. Whoop, here we go. I don't hate this, but this could come and screw me. But like I said, I don't hate it. Let's just do 3 contracts. If it comes to get me. This momentum down is actually not great, but shelf, shelf, shelf. Yep, okay. Patrick, you like shorts from here. Why? Storm, it depends on how much you risk per hour. So in general, I try. I used to risk 200 per trade, which means I would have been 800 up with 4R, which I know is not a lot for some people, but it's not terrible. Ooh, damn, nice, Mark. MG, I'm not gambling. I feel like this is a valid one. Oh, it did hit that area though. So I mean, we have it slowly pushing up. It hasn't really taken the liquidity. I know it's hit this resistance level. However, we have a bit of liquidity here. I have my shelf, this support area as well. I could be wrong. I mean, it hasn't even tagged me in. Gold testing 50-minute fair value gap. If confirmed, could go even more crazy. Okay, robotic, damn. Ooh, rage. I mean, that's valid, right? That's why you guys are here. You guys keep this very fun for me. Oh, it's respecting that inverse. Let's see. Tails by torch. Gold is dropping. Cool, means we probably will go up then. You must be joking. Hey, Manish, what up? How's it going? And Tony, how are you? That's respecting it. I can't believe this missed me. Mike, really? It could be. It could be. Let's see. Hey Manish, how are you doing? From India. That is so cool. Hi from South Africa. I hope you're doing good. In 30 seconds, what, MG, and then you think it's just going to keep going down? Why do you say that, MG? Tony, I haven't even, this will be the first trade and I'm nervous. Rage, no I'm not. Why? I was looking at maybe, but now it's made a lower high, so I'm getting nervous. Let's see. Rage, now I am. Where do I live in South Africa? Yeah. See, I'm hoping it takes out there, hits there, and potentially goes back up. You like 650? So just below. Rage, I'm in it now. Mr. Opinion, do you think further down? I hear you guys. Let's see, if I'm wrong, then I was wrong. Marketer, shush. A little bit there. Come on, respect it a little bit more. And yeah, this is futures. Apparently, MG, look at you go. High life, it's bull for you. Okay. So are you in the trade? Check out the 50-minute, could play that bear flag breakout. When it happens. Ooh, okay. Randy, Southern California checking in. Heyo. No. Rage. Mike, that's interesting. So where you want your stop to be is normally the place to be at. Yannick's, hey, how you doing? I was about to say, is it frozen or was it the charts? Psychic Trader, what is the target? No, so sorry, the target is actually 696.25. Mike, it looks like, yep, I might just get dunked out before. Mike, are you North Carolina? Nice. Okay, you need that push to break resistance. Shocker, let's go. The NQ is difficult to trade today. Yes, it is. No, I don't. I don't. Luckily, I got you guys to tell me when he says something funny. When I say funny, it's not that funny, but it's fine. Mr. Opinion, thank you. Ah, poop. Oh, well. That was the loss. Not a big one. Very small loss, but it's fine. Oh, thanks, Rage. Yeah, guys, if you're having... Oh, Yannick, that's not good. You blew your Tradeify account? Sorry. Let's see, Mike, if this was the entry. Or if this is just the shift down and I should have, like I said, should have just... Wachabiki. Next time. Just Wachabiki. Oh well. Krishna, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Ghost Trader? Yes. Bearish liquidity sweeps, Mr. Opinion. Yeah. Ghost Trade, I've only been trading since April. Buy now this. Shoot, so... Oh, even that would have been a tap out. Let's see if this full range would have been it. Funded next, which account is interesting? It depends. Maximus, wait for liquidity sweep. Okay. Ah, shoot, I have to find all my things again. Yes. Makes me sad that that's the first one. Oh, goodness gracious. Yes. Little tick. So I'm just... Oh, cool. Not sorted. Last one. Okay. Done. Oh, Solly, no! I'm sorry. Versus. Got it. Note to self. Yep. 100% rage. 100%. Trader Ransler, don't stress. It happens. The same as he's here. So I see using the full range appears to have been the way to go. Even if I did the second one, it wouldn't have worked. Diamante, you still think just sell? Bet. I will. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Diamante, today we become investors. Should do a rain bet stream for Halloween. What's that, Mark? No. Oh, nice. Okay, psychic trader. Cool. European Ricky, how are you? I'm good. I can't complain. I'm having fun. I know that's a weird thing to say once it's just taken me out, but I'm having a good giggle. Marzio, you think sell again. Why? Patrick, trail my stop loss. Storm 640 possible support. Yes. For a small size, have a 100-point stop and add every 50 to 75 points. Diamante, you have a wild way of trading, but it works for you. Mr. Opinion, you think it's pushing higher. Marzia, you think it's gonna sell again. Today's just all over the flipping place. It's a little bit too late in the day for me to actually take another trade. Unfortunately. Bummer. Solly, are you good, by the way? Ah. Okay, Markino. Rage. Oh, I feel like I forgot that halfway through. If you guys are having kind of fun, I want to say kind of fun. This is very boring today, but that was a very good giggle. And Patrick very much got to say I told you so. To be fair, so did MGM. Yeah, so did MGM. But if you're at least enjoying yourselves, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, you know, let's get more amazing like-minded people out there. Krishna, how old do you think I am? Diamante is looking at shorts, MG. Rounding out possibly bear flag breakout. Let's check. 15 minutes. Maybe, I mean, this just doesn't look great. Look at these flipping wicks all over the place. I'm so sick of seeing these flipping dojis everywhere. Sorry, that was my little moment. Moment over. Let's carry on. Noah, hey, how are you? Thanks, Mike. Enjoy our, well, see you. Thanks, I love. See you maybe New York. I'm not sure how your day looks. It's oh gosh. Oh, you guys are funny. You guys are so funny. Okay, so MG, you're in long. Sam, how do I keep myself so fit? No, I'm feeling like an absolute potato recently. No! So I did have the correct idea. Well, I had the correct idea. I thought maybe I was safe because of this level here. I just wanted to take out a little bit more liquidity. You guys did say. I'm sorry. I was just a bit early on this. No, I look 20 plus. I am. I'm nearly, oh my gosh, I'm nearly 27. You're trading a fair value gap. Trader Renzo, you're likely going to blow today. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Which prop are you with, by the way? I forgot to ask. Wicks are grabbing liquidity for possible breakout. Ooh, Storm. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. What's my favorite food while trading? I don't eat while trading, so. TLR racer scam. What's a scam? Who's scamming? Where? Where are they? Sorry, you gotta make jokes. Will I munch some crunchy foods? Oh, nah. Trader Rentler own fund? Oh, what? What do you mean own fund? MG study the fair value gap. Okay. Markno, damn. What are you surprised about? I thought you knew that, Markno. Still viable. Watch the midway points. Watch how it retested. There's so much to learn. Okay. Okay. MG, so out of curiosity, when is a fair value gap no longer viable? I think no. Krishna, so I'm not trading currencies. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Shaka, sure. Here we go. Let me hide my things quick. There we go. How's that? A little bit better? Here you can see more. Buzzard. Yes, noob. Yes, I am. 100%. 100% I'm a noob. I'm not here trying to pretend I'm not. Mr. Opinion, if it breaks the resistance and hold. Okay. Oh, Trader Rensler. Poop, man. Give me a second. Oh, no, I don't think it'll work. No. Trader Rensler, pop me an email. I'll send you to Discord. I'll help you. I can literally hop on and help you if you want. Let me know. If you're keen, pop me an email. My email's in... not in my description. I mean, it's teachmayatrading@gmail.com. Super easy. Pop me an email. I can help you through Discord now that I have it up and running. Solly, no, I'm so sorry. That's okay. Don't worry. Explain fair value gap. I mean, where to even begin? Fair value gap, I guess you could say it's a low volume node. Like, super sweet and simple, but how to identify them, and there's a lot. There is no fair value gap, no viable anymore. It's always viable and stays viable forever. Really, MG? I was not taught that. Interesting. Whoever took Long's mini, Mr. Opinion. Let's see. Rage, are you in still? Until 7:20. Wait a second. Guess who's back? Back again. The damn monkeys are back. You can hear them on the flipping roof. They're so annoying. Then they have the audacity to like scream at my dog. Shocker, you think bullish still? See? Hell yeah, trader Rensler. Yeah, like I said, quickly pop me an email. And I can send you the link. Damn, okay. Sam, can I do an upside trade? Like I said, theoretically, guys, did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that. That noise was the monkeys running across my roof. The other day, the door was open, I was upstairs, this monkey just came on the balcony and looked at me like I had the audacity of being there. I was just like, excuse you, and he wouldn't run away from me, which was terrifying, so I very quickly closed the door and was like, nope. These vervet monkeys are so scary. BD, welcome to South Africa! Sorry. Yeah. Mr. Opinion, app resistance again. Storm, just make it simple. Everything always falls down to bull and bear flags. The markets always stair-stepping. Storm, I mean, that's the thing, right? I think some people dag-nab it. Shoot, man. Okay. Apparently the range was the full range, but it is what it is. I'm kind of wanting to stick around specifically for rage. 720. 720, cool. Oh man, I gotta go, but I want to see if this hits. Am I Afrikaans? No, I understand Afrikaans though. I'm just really bad at speaking it. You would catch the monkeys like Pokemons? Hell no, that's all I'm saying. Just... they terrify me. They're so scary. Sam, is it all jungle? No, it's not even jungle. It's... oh, I say that, but... saw a snake the other day as well. 2 snakes fell off the roof the other day. Oh, yeah, it's very entertaining. South Africa's fun. There's no lions running around though, just putting that out there. You're from unit, cool. Patrick, target London highs. Mr. Opinion, let's go. You like 676 and then get out of that range to the upside. Okay. Really? Krishna? Who? You meant a 100-point stop? Yeah, so you're still in this. Oh, thanks, Antonio. You're very sweet. Oh, Mazia, sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. Me and you both today. It's fine. It's fine. We still have New York. Hopefully there's some better movement. Well, I'm not saying this is bad movement, but it took a while. Maybe there's something better later, right? Jacob, you think NQ is setting up for a nice... oh, long. I was about to say, what? And Antonio, you're looking for short after taking London highs. Okay. Do you want to... yes, we do not have tigers here. Sorry to disappoint. Sam, am I a bull or a bear? And have I tried copy trading? Well, right now, bull, right? Market trend is friend. I started with the bias of bear though, because I thought it would go to the NVOG. When did coffee powder become a currency? Is that a thing? Is coffee powder a currency? Try use... okay, I'll have a look at that. Cheers, Krishna. Ooh, Rage, are you still here? Rage, how are you feeling? Red-green trades are best, what do you mean? Really, MGY? I didn't know that. You could trade coffee futures. Eh, Jacob, no, not really. Mostly just because a lot of people haven't used my code yet. That's basically it. Sam, so I haven't tried copy trading just because, like I said, I feel like I need to get good at one account. Why do I blow 3? Until I'm at least better with one, if that makes sense. Coffee, sugar, and wheat. Oh, okay. No, well, I mean, it makes sense. I just didn't really think about it. Use red, green cat. No, they're too harsh. I don't like them. And then it triggers my emotions. Triggers is a bad word. I feel people throw that around. But, you know, when I see it going red, I panic. So this just, it keeps me calm, and it's nice to look at. Hey, Warren, how you doing? Go for it, MG. Hell yeah. Do it. Oh, okay. Rage, I'm gonna have to look and see how this looked later, if it took it. Like I said, I have it marked here. I'm gonna head off. I need to go to the horses, but I will then be back later. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm done. I'm done for now. I'm gonna be back later, guys. Yeah. Let's see. Be back for New York. Maybe there's something better. If not, it's fine. Oh, Storm, thank you. Yeah, see, it's nice to look at. I think that's the point. It's really nice to look at. You guys were amazing. Sorry, today I know was a little bit boring. Wow, what a yucky chart today, but it is what it is. Hopefully New York brings some cool moves. Let's keep fingers crossed. So hopefully see you guys for New York session. I love you guys madly. I'll see you later. Okay, wait. Oh, yes, yes, I will go say hi to Finn, especially for you, Rich. I'll go say hi to Finn. Yes, it's his turn, and it's so hot today. Oh boy, it's fine. Just work through the heat. It's fine. Okay, I love you guys madly. Bye.